anyway, it's 2013, just got back from my holiday. That's why there's a New Year's video, because for a week and a half of holiday kind of stopped me from being able to be here and making videos. So anyway, back at my desk, a new chair. Whee! Gonna be getting a new computer. It's gonna be epic. Gonna be on this desk. It's gonna be cool. My hats. Now, here's some of my videos from last year.